Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Newegg promo extension for affiliate tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Newegg promo extension for affiliate tracking, first, open your web browser. Locate the browser icon on your desktop or in your applications folder. Click the icon to launch the browser. Once the browser is open, navigate to the extensions menu. For Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select More Tools from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Extensions. In Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Choose Add-ons from the menu that appears. For Microsoft Edge, click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. Select Extensions from the options displayed. Now that you're in the Extensions menu, look for the Newegg Promo extension. It may be listed as Newegg Promo or something similar. Once you find it, click the Remove or Uninstall button next to the extension. A confirmation dialog may appear. If prompted, confirm that you want to remove the extension. After confirming, the extension will be uninstalled from your browser. To verify that it has been successfully removed, you can refresh the extensions page. Check the list to ensure the Newegg promo extension is no longer present. Close the extensions menu. Finally, restart your browser to complete the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.